I have no background in swimming. I've never been particularly keen on swimming. I don't mind lounging around in the pool, but it was never an activity or an exercise that I took part in a great deal. But I just really liked the atmosphere at the pool when I was there with my son. And I thought, this looks like a job I'd enjoy. Because I just decided to do it, I hadn't actually given any thought to what that would involve and how the training would go for. So it was all a surprise. I didn't really know what I was getting into. But the training it's difficult, but it's not hard. There's lots of technical things to learn and new skills. But when you find yourself actually doing it, it's not difficult, it's fun. It's lots of time on the books, lots of learning songs, and lots of time in the pool. Who's the fastest swimmer, me or you? Yes, you. It's definitely the duck.